Welcome to KBIS 2019. Follow me.
Hi everyone, Marcio Lucas. I am the Senior Product Marketing Manager for Pfister, and we're here today to show you Tenant, our new collection launching middle of this year. So definitely a beautiful things, very exciting collection for us, modern, minimalistic, clean lines, perfect proportion. So we've done a great job designing this line, creating some new innovation. So here's one of the things that we want to show you today. This is actually a through valve. So you may be used to, a side or a top lever. This one actually swings from side to side. So beautifully crafted, designed, minimalistic, perfect proportion, as I said before, looks beautiful. And then we have another innovation, which is, as you can see here, very flat, very small, minimalistic. And what we've done here is, usually what you're coming to see is the valves. You have some bulkiness in here to accommodate for these valves. What we've done is we actually created a platform where the valve goes underneath the deck so you don't see it. This way you can explore a lot of new things into ID, into geometric designs, and that's how this came to shape. So with Tenant, as you can see, besides this beautiful display that we have here, very unique, great compliments we're getting from everyone at the show, so super excited, looks beautiful as you can see. Definitely a lot more innovation with Tenant into the showering category. We'll cover that in a little bit.
All right, so welcome to KBIS. My name is Zaire Gutierrez. I'm the product manager for these showers, and today I want to show you some new innovations that we have in shower heads. Our latest is our new Tenant shower collection, which comes across multiple configurations. This one is really unique and special. It allows you to have a nice rain can shower head with great coverage, as well as have a handheld experience to use wherever you want and to clean out your bath. Enjoy this nice, switch it from either shower head or handheld and enjoy it.
I'm now showing you some tub filler, really exciting line we have here at Pfister. Beautiful tub. I'm here, I got Tenant next to me. Look at this line, as we covered before, super modern, clean lines, perfect proportions. This is our brand new tub filler, innovation. Very simple, clean lines. We reduced a lot of the footprint of this to be very minimalistic. We actually have combined a couple things. Where you used to see a diverter, we actually combine that with the wand, so perfect, you take in your bath, you can activate this wand by simply pulling out and switching this valve to the side. Beautiful technology, super functional design. You can't get any better than this.
If we walk over here, we'll see our first one. This is our Restore technology. What's really interesting and really cool about this product, it has nearly infinite possibilities for you. You can adjust the width of the spray to either get a narrow shot, clean out your tile, or to get a wider coverage. Moving on, we have our Hydrogens technology. This one creates bigger water droplets and has more force for you to use and to really enjoy a nice luxurious shower. Now, our ThermoForce is eco-friendly, so it comes in a 1.8 GPM. However, we understand the importance of having a great shower experience. So we've created our new ThermoForce technology to give you bigger water droplets as well as a wider coverage. So great shower experience for those looking to get a great, nice 1.8 GPM shower head and conserve water without diluting your shower experience.
I'm Lauren Ahrensberger, the Associate Product Marketing Manager for Kitchen. Today we're going to talk about Architect, shown here in a beautiful matte black finish. What's great about Architect is it's a small footprint faucet, so for cabinets that come down really low, you still have a good reach for the faucet, and then also it has a forward handle only so that you're not hitting the back of that backsplash. And you still have a pull-out functionality, so you are able to do all that cleaning and good stuff in the kitchen. You're not losing the functionality with it being smaller. All right, so next up we're going to talk about some new kitchen products. So we have Miri, and what's super special about Miri is it's a top fit faucet. So top fit, instead of your traditional under the sink, you're trying to get the mounting hardware up underneath, it's actually from the top. So there's a tool that goes through the top of the body, you'll twist it, and as you twist it, this bracket's going to move up and get straight to the deck. And then it's a super secure, tight fit, and all you have to do is your hot and cold inlets, and then your weight, and then you're good to go. In addition, it also has our new one-handed soap pump. So in a traditional sense, you can still pump it from the top and have your hand at the bottom. but you can also just pump it straight from the top here, so our solo tilt soap pump. And so if you're washing your dishes, your pots and pans, and you have a pot in one hand, a sponge in the other, you can quickly grab some soap and then continue your cleaning. We also have a new finish in Stellan coming, so Brush Gold. Brush Gold's super trendy in the kitchen space right now. So in addition to our matte black, which has been killing it lately, we also will have the Brush Gold offering coming soon in June 2019. Okay, up next we have all of our different faucets over here. I'm going to talk about just a few. So our first one being Kai. Kai is in matte black. It won one of our 8X awards for its beautiful integrated handle designs. It also has a hidden spray head, which has a fun pattern on it. So you get that spray and stream and pause modes on there as well. And then up next we have Briarsfield. Briarsfield's an all metal construction. It's in our polished nickel finish, so it's kind of a warmer tone to the chrome. Great metal spray head, spray and stream as well. And then finally we have our Stellan with React. So you have your ability to turn it on and off with just the flick of a wave.
This is Sanglin from the brand team, and today I want to talk to you about Ren. Ren is a transitional collection that the most important design cue for this is the flowing dress detail that captures the movement of fabric. And it also has a secondary oval motif that keeps the collection very classic. It comes in 4 wonderful finishes: polished chrome, matte black, brushed nickel, and brushed gold, which is very hot right now.